Hi, Carmen Bunde with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Ambassador Real Estate. I was just reading on thekitchen.com about things you can do that you should not delay as a homeowner, regardless of inflation. And one of the ones I wanted to highlight that is particularly noteworthy for Omaha because of the extreme weather we get in the winter is to maintain your gutters and your downspouts. And so when it comes to the downspouts, you want to make sure that you have extensions on those running several feet away from the house. And then for the gutters, you want to make sure they're clear. If you can't get up there, if it's too dangerous, hire somebody. It's worth it to prevent ice dams and to prevent water coming back up into places that you don't want. So make sure that your gutters are clear and make sure that your downspouts run away from your house. And if you have any questions, call Carmen first.